My name's Thomas. Thank you for joining me today here at mgmclassiccars.com. Today I had the pleasure of showing you this 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle that's been converted into a super sport. It's not a real super sport. Body and paint is really nice on the car. So I'm just going to give a quick walk around to show you. Paint, like I said, really nice all around. It's laid down with the black rally stripes. It's been clear coated. All the chrome, the bumpers are brand new on the car. This chrome is all brand new with the SS pad in the back. You can see the reflection in the paint. Got a clouds there. It's a really nice paint. It's got the factory rally wheels. Sorry about the wind here in Chicago. The sun is fading in and out and it's a little windy. Nice chrome bumper in the front. No overheating problems. I'll show you the engine compartment shortly. Bucket seats have been reupholstered. Nice door jambs. Brand new door panels. Lips are perfect on the car, the door lips. No radio. Back seats intact with the seat belts. Pop the trunk, show you guys the original Gm Stampings. Alright, so here's the original Stampings to show you that this is an original driver's side quarter with no patching. Solid trunk. Those are your floor mats. Underside of the trunk has been painted real nice. Passenger side, there are your Stampings to show you again. It's original. There's no Bondo, and here, let's show you show you guys the engine compartment. Real nice and clean. Small block 350. You got power steering, power brakes, newer alternator, newer battery, Edelbrok dress-up kit, Holley 4-barrel carb, MSD ignition. Underside's been painted as well. And we'll go for a test drive, guys. Okay. So again, you got some aftermarket gauges. No radio. Okay. Newer SS 3-spoke steering wheel. Starts right up. Go for a ride. You got a turbo 350 automatic trans in it with a 10-bolt rear end. Shifts nice and smooth. Fuel gauge operates. Speedo operates, showing 36,468 miles. Clock's not working. No radio, like I said. And the wipers do work, as you can see. No horn. Reliable car, guys. Financing is available. You must have good credit. Delivery is available. Send me your zip code. My number is 847-848-1850. and I'll be more than happy to send you a quote. We are located in Addison, Illinois, is where all my cars are, and I'll be more than happy to answer any and all of your questions if I haven't in my video and my description. I like to take this ride here. Car steadily runs at about 160 degrees in temperature. Oops, sorry about that. No squeaks driving down the road. It's a really tight car, handles nice, steers nice. A lot of traffic out today. Text me. My number is 847-848-1850, and you can check out a lot of other cars